So slide 4, I'm going to focus some on this lower left-hand portion, in particular this linkage to process management. And here's where we take the strategy and the strategic plan and identify how the process improvements need to occur in order to deliver on some of those key targets that have been identified in the strategy map and balanced scorecard. So visually, if we go to slide 5, this is actually a diagram we've learned and gotten from Synetics in South America, where they have been worldwide leaders in linking strategy objectives to process management. And you see on the left is the strategy map for a company, and one of the strategic objectives in the process perspective is highlighted. It's one that relates to innovation, being able to deliver new products in relatively short product development lead times. So that's the high-level objective, and we'll have some metrics associated with that. But the question is, how do we make sure that's happening? How do we put that into action? And so in the middle, we actually identify and go into much more detail about the specific sub-processes, in this case in the innovation process, that are required to achieve that high-level process objective that's featured on the strategy map. And so after a drill down into process mapping and key indicators for how to day by day improve that process, you see on the right-hand portion, we actually get to some operational dashboards. And many people have been questioning Dave and me, and people at Palladium, Synetics, about what the difference is between scorecards and dashboards. Are they the same or are they different? And at least the way we are now looking at this and the language that we are now using, that we reserve the word scorecard for the sets of measures and indicators that are associated with the strategy map and then the balanced scorecard. So that they are strategic indicators, and that's the scorecard. And dashboards are operational indicators. Those are linked to sub-processes, tasks that are done continually, day by day, by employees in their continuous improvement activities. And it gives them day by day or even hour by hour feedback on how well they're doing with these critical processes. So the distinction is scorecards are strategic and dashboards are operational and tied to specific sub-processes within the organization.